What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best airless paint sprayer 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The Control Max 1700 is meant for the do-it-yourselfers and serious handymen, making it easier to paint some sort of pro and apply coatings 3 times faster than a roller. Excellent for large paintings such as home exteriors, fences, decks, garages and more. High-power non-aerated technology. This paint sprayer features heat technology which reduces overspray up to the 55th, providing a softer spray, higher handling and providing a more consistent finish. This Control Max sprayer holds 1,500 psi working pressure, sprays up to 300 gallons annually, options combine an all-metal gun, and uses a linear unit of 30. Hose can be extended up to 80 linear units. For greater flow rate, sprayer lasts up to 3x longer than competitive sprayers and contains a rebuildable fluid section to increase sprayer life. It's backed by the industry's best and longest 2-year warranty. Number 4. TrueCoat 360 ventless portable sprinklers will stain or paint your outdoor furniture in no time. Enhance the charm of your home while it serves to preserve and protect your outdoor furniture from the sun and bad weather. Outdoor furniture will fade and look tired when there are a couple of seasons of intense sunshine and heavy rain. Easily breathe new life into outdated or tired furniture in your home with the TrueCoat 360 portable ventless sprayer. Simply get smooth, even coverage in all nooks and crannies and clean areas, and be done in a fraction of the time compared to employing a brush and a roller. A beautiful entrance hallway will create a press release and set the tone for the rest of your home. Angled panels and ornate accents are no problem once you've used a TrueCoat 360 portable ventless sprayer. You'll finish this simple project in brushing or rolling time for a perfect. Number 3. Control Max 1900 Pro High Efficiency Sprayer. The high-power Titan Control Max No Ventilation eliminates the worry of spraying without ventilation, making it easier to color a professional type. The new nozzle technology of the HE system reduces overspray by up to a 55th, providing a smoother spray, better handling and an additional uniform finish. Airless paint sprayer. The Control Max 1900 Professional is designed for the serious do-it-yourselfer and handyman, making it easier for one type of professional to color and apply coatings 3 times faster than a roller. Excellent for mass painting, comes as home exteriors, fences, decks, garages and extras. High-power ventless technology. This paint sprayer features heat technology which reduces overspray by up to a 55th, providing a smoother spray, better handling and provides a more consistent finish. This Control Max sprayer contains an easy-to-apply working pressure of 1,600 psi, sprays up to 500 gallons annually, all-metal gun options, and uses 50 feet. Flexible hose, can extend up to 30 meters for greater range. Number 2. Graco Magnum 262800 X5 latex paint sprayer that works well in all indicated areas. It's no wonder the Graco X7 trolley wind bottle is our first choice. This congested paint sprayer has fully adjustable pressure to control the flow of paint. There is no need for a fine paint before using this product, as the stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray undiluted paint at high altitude. Such options make this option really affordable. Another example of this is often the fact that the adapter can be attached to the hose, which makes cleaning much quicker and easier. While those square gauges are some of the more commodity options, there are a variety of square gauges of smaller things that make building the X7 wagon easy. In particular, the flexibility of reversing the tip once it freezes are some of the things we tend to like. We have a tendency to also like the home button, which is fast and reliable. As a result, it can be a reasonably powerful unit. It certainly is a great facet. It weighs 26 pounds and has dimensions of 19 x 15 x 37 inches. This weight is considerably heavier after considering a painting tool. Luckily, the cart includes a handle and 2 sturdy wheels, so mobility isn't a retarder. For all of these reasons, this may be the simplest latex paint sprayer on the market. Number 1. Very close and favorite product is the Graco product. It's Graco's X5 wine bottle holder that's also an associated congested paint sprayer. Whether you operate indoors or outdoors, you will have the peace of mind knowing that you only have a high level of management. This can be achieved through the adjustable pressure that is thought of after having had a variety of different arrivals. Since you'll likely be transporting this latex paint sprayer from place to place, it's smart to understand that it's a sturdy build. Made of metal, it should be able to handle bumps or scratches without any problems. Weighing in under 20 pounds, the X5 mount isn't the lightest of paint sprayers. We have a tendency to think this product would have fun on wheels. If mobility is a priority for you, we recommend that you look elsewhere. At the very least, there's a handle that adds a mobility component. Another feature mentioned in the price is the power flush adapter, which attaches to the hose for a convenient upgrade. There is also a switch tip associated with a filter on the handle inside the applicator that works to avoid annoying quotes. Although there is only a 1-year warranty for manufacturer defects, we are confident that this rubber-based paint sprayer can operate safely. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.